Just in life more time you have to know what you do. Cause what goes around comes around. So you know say something named karma. Yo! The games they play with like we cheat, the distractions I repeat. I rub with the night with it. To what we be and the shit we pull up them style on it. Everything was so discreet where you have to enter whatever, but you nobody else not see it. Me can't reveal all of the things that when me do to you. You're good to me, me not good to you. I look on the things me put you through. But it's a one with me and you. No.
Natasha, what you do? Why not make Susie come home come see you?
How you love her about Susie, sir? You love her till you fall.
I know that. Or you fi show up at the woman yard. Natasha, me a try hard to keep this a secret. But it look like you a try hard to make Susie find out. But you want me?
As Susie send me over here, you worry too much.
Send you over here for what? For watch me? When she find out say I ride her stick, she go kill your ass.
Whatever. You stay with your pitney them till she come. She claims she and you no chat.
Romain, I don't feel too good. Help me go up on the bed. Me think that me need to lie down for a minute. Oh God, me just feel some cramp under my belly button. Whoa, baby, I move, man. Me don't feel too good.
Are you sure? Do you want to go to the doctor just to be safe?
No, I am alright. There's no need to call the doctor. It's just normal something when we happen when you're pregnant. Romain, babes, I am okay. I just need to lie down. You have to go go and have a friend with your drink. Have a drink with your friend without me. Me can't go out tonight. Me have to go lie.
Okay. He was really looking forward to meet you. I'll tell him you could make it.
Okay, hon. Romain, what did you say the name of your friend was again?
His name is Bingy.
Oh, okay. I have never heard of that name. Baby, please don't stay out late. I'm not feeling well. So just go and have the drink and come back home, please. Tell him you can't stay long, alright?
You know what? I think I'll stay here tonight. Can I borrow your phone to call Bingy?
No, Romain, go on. Remember saying him sad and you promise him say yeah, come now, man. Go on. You don't have to stay. Go on, go try and cheer him up, please. Go on. Shit, and you know what? Me just remember say my mother not feel good. Me forgot say my friend call me and tell me say my mother fall down. Shit, me have to go home go look for her. So me have to stay here till I come back. Me go look for my mother. Me come back tomorrow here. Oh God, I forgot say my mother dropped. Jesus Christ.
Okay, honey, if you insist. Please call me if anything changes.
How where the blood clot this? Romain no Bingy. Bingy no Romain. Fuck, me get fucked now, no sir. Me have to go follow Romain. I can't see him Bingy my talk about. If I see him Bingy, me have to go run away to pussy clot. Jesus Christ, what is me get myself in?
So where you just up so nice ago? I bet it's a girl you go look for.
Me just go have a drink with a friend. The children them gone at them bed already.
So you don't want a piece before you left? You know, see how me dress up sexy come over here.
Natasha, me not in the mood. Please. Plus me no want Susie come and catch us.
Really, Bingy? You really gonna make this a fat pussy a pass you?
You really look problems. You know, say a long time Susie no give me no sex. Me feel that she have, man. Me stress, man. Me not even know if me would still live up.
Really? Just come over me and when Susie say no, you know me always tell you yes. You know me glad that you me breed for?
So a trick me and get pregnant?
No. But my baby will get pretty ear for you and father. Anyways, Bingy, I no come over here to talk. So come angle me before Susie come.
Boy, oh boy. Why you show me? I saw it get fat. Come here. You know what the pregnancy make it get extra fat? How that hole in your panty?
Hello, hello, somebody, help me please.
Sir, please stay where you are. Sir, don't move.
Oh God, I want to get up. Why me cannot move? Oh my back, oh God. Where this me depend? Oh, why you just look like a doctor?
Sir, you are in the hospital. You were beaten and left to die on the street.
Oh God, help me, oh God. Where am I, please? Oh God, I want to go home. Oh,
Sir, don't move. You are attached to the machine. Do you want to die?
oh God, where is my phone? Oh, can you call my girlfriend for me, please? Oh God, my back, my neck. Check my phone. Her name is Susie. Oh God, my foot, my foot.
Mr. Reed, I have tried to call her several times and she did not pick up.
Oh Lord. Oh, my belly. Oh God, all my nose at me right now, Father. Oh God, why are you calling me, Mr. Reed? Mr. Reed. Oh Lord.
You, sir. Here is your ID with your picture. It says Anthony Reed.
No, that's not me. My name is I do not know my name. Oh God, I saw the light. Oh God. Oh Lord. What date is it? Which year we are in? Oh God, we can't manage it pain all over my body. Oh God, oh God, oh God.
It's Saturday, May 15th, 2021.
Walk on, man. Sorry I'm late. I was mashing a little works.
Really? I guess you and your girlfriend are back together.
Bro, it's 2 days now me not see my baby mother. Now wear my head. Is her friend just sought me out.
What? Bingy, you're a player, man. You're living dangerously.
Well, me a man, me have needs. So if she not giving me have to get it somewhere. And her friends them willing to give it up.
What? Did you say friends? So there are more than one?
Yeah, them a breed. The two of them so have me baby. Well, so them say. Me a go run up DNA when the baby them born.
Boy, Bingy, I thought you were an innocent man. But right now, I don't even know what to say. Sorry, my girlfriend couldn't make it. We're expecting our first child, a boy. She's feeling a little under the weather tonight.
Okay, that's cool. I will meet her next time. Tell her hi for me.
I want you to meet her because I'll be leaving for the States soon. And I want you to take care of her when I'm not here.
Yeah, man. I will do that for you.
Rasclat, I feel me bingy bombo clot. How where bingy meet Romain from? That what the fuck them a do in a bar with white girl? Huh? Haha, I hope I know what me think. Fuck, me no problem.